Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the real challenges product managers face when trying to replace manual work with AI. No hype, no buzzwords, just reality. AI is smart, but also not that smart. So the first challenge is therefore trust. AI sounds confident, like very confident. It will happily summarize your user research and conclude users love the product and want more features. Meanwhile, the actual interviews were like, I hate this thing, but it's slightly better than the alternative. Same vibe, totally different meaning. PM work is full of ambiguity, context, political nuance, and this is technically correct, but also absolutely wrong situations. AI is great at patterns. PMs live in the exceptions. So instead of replacing work, AI often creates extra validation work. The next challenge is workflow friction. Most AI tools live somewhere else. You work in Jira, Linear, Confluence, Slack, Figma, or whichever tools you use, but the AI insights are in another tab. So now you're copying tickets into AI, pasting summaries back, reformatting everything. So even if you are using AI tools, you might not have automated anything. PMs don't hate AI, but they hate context switching. If AI isn't embedded directly into existing tools, it becomes a nice to have rather than a daily habit. Next challenge is messy data. The truth is that AI cannot clean up years of chaotic PM processes. Your feedback is in Notion, product board, Zendesk, sales notes, someone's personal Google Docs. AI looks at this and says, I will do my best, which is not reassuring. If your inputs are fragmented, biased, or outdated, AI outputs will be too. So PMs expect, give me insights, but AI responds with, first, please fix your data culture. Yeah, that's not what anyone wanted to hear. The next challenge is good judgment. This one is subtle but huge. PMs don't just do tasks, they think for a living. So when AI starts suggesting priorities, writing PRDs, and drafting roadmaps, you start worrying if you are outsourcing your judgment. Some PMs lean too far in and accept AI output blindly. Others barely use it at all, just for rewriting emails. The real challenge is to find the line between AI as an assistant and AI as a decision maker. And there is no perfect answer. The next challenge is to prove return on investment. Leadership asks questions like, is this saving time? Is this improving decisions? Why are we paying for this? And PMs are like, well, it feels faster. And that might not be great for budget conversations. PM impact is indirect, better decisions, fewer mistakes, faster alignment. AI improves thinking quality, not just output speed. And that's really hard to measure. So many teams struggle to justify AI internally, even when it is helping. So, what is the conclusion? Here's the key takeaway. AI can help PMs by replacing repetitive writing, manual synthesis, and context less busy work. The challenge isn't whether AI can help, it's how thoughtfully we use it. The best PMs won't be replaced by AI, but they are learning how to use AI well. If you are a PM experimenting with AI right now, let me know your challenges in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.